Welcome to our intelligent document extraction platform. Today we'll explore 3 key services. Let's begin with CAD Checklist Extraction. This powerful tool automatically extracts structured data from your CAD documents, where you can upload your documents in multiple formats including PNG, PDF, and DWG. Simply select your document and the system begins processing immediately. You can track the entire submission progress in real time. Once uploaded, you will see the submission details confirmed on screen. The extraction engine then processes your CAD file, identifying all relevant checklist items with high accuracy. After processing is complete, your results are displayed in a clear, organized format. The Summary tab provides a high-level overview of all extracted data fields and their values. It gives you a quick snapshot of what was captured, so you can review the results without diving into the full output. The Detailed Results section shows each individual extracted field with complete information. Each row maps to a balloon number on the drawing. Click any row to highlight it on the drawing for quick cross-verification. Use the Download Results option to export your data in JSON, Excel, or visualization format, whatever fits your workflow best. Next, we'll take a look at the Standard Analyzer, a powerful tool designed to automatically review documents, identify applicable standards, and streamline compliance validation. To begin, you select the engineering standard from a comprehensive drop-down menu. The system supports a wide range of industry standards, giving you the flexibility to validate against whichever standards apply to your engineering context. Whether it's AS9102, ISO, or custom internal specs, simply select the relevant standard and the system adapts accordingly. Once you have selected your standard, you configure the analysis options to focus on specific aspects of compliance. After setting your parameters, the analysis begins. You can track the progress and status of each job in the table below. Results are presented across 5 comprehensive tabs. The Summary tab gives you an at-a-glance view of overall compliance status. It highlights key metrics like total dimensions checked, pass-fail counts, and any flagged exceptions. The Analysis Summary breaks down findings for each standard requirement. The Issues tab flags problems ranked by severity for quick prioritization. The Scores tab displays quantitative compliance metrics. The Recommendations tab offers actionable steps to resolve issues and boost compliance. Download the full report in your preferred format for easy team sharing. Moving on to our next capability. Finally, we will be looking at BOM Extractor. Our BOM Extractor automatically identifies and parses all components from your technical documents with excellent accuracy. Simply upload your technical document, and the system immediately begins processing. Once extraction is complete, you are presented with a clean, structured bill of materials. The Summary tab provides a high-level overview of all extracted data fields and their values. Use this tab to verify completeness at a glance before downloading or exporting the results. The Results page displays all extracted components in a structured table, with each row clearly listing its relevant attributes. The results can be downloaded in multiple formats including Excel and JSON. Our services delivers quick, precise extraction, so you spend less time on manual work and more on what matters.